Welcome, beautiful souls. I'd like to share my daily soul nudges ritual with you and show you in real time how it works. I designed this to help you connect with your soul's wisdom anytime you need. I created this deck to be really powerful. Each card is meant to hit you right where you need it. It's like a little nudge from your soul to strike a nerve or spark something inside you, helping you take real action. Let's do it together. So first, place your hand on your heart and breathe in deeply 3 times and close your eyes. Then you're just going to open up the PDF on your phone and you're going to ask yourself, what message does my soul have for me right now? Then you're going to just scroll through, try and do it where you can see it, and you're going to stop when you feel called to. Okay, so here's the one I got. Authenticity isn't a vibe, it's a commitment. Then you're just going to sit with that thought for a moment and see what comes up for you. If you have some resistance around it, there's a matching companion journal prompt guide. I encourage you to go there and use one of the journal prompts. Then you're just going to scroll down and you're going to look at the back of the card. This one says, you've spent years shape-shifting to fit in, but fitting in cost you your real self. Speak one truth today you've been holding back out loud, unfiltered. That's where your freedom starts. And you're going to take the action so that you can rise